Hello, I'm Charles, and today we're going to be having a boiling race between the original BioLite Campstove and the new BioLite Campstove 2. I've got 2 cups of the biofuel pellets, just because it's more consistent than using separate sticks in each one, and that way I've got the same amount. I'm going to be burning the same, takes out that variable. And then I also have 2 identical bowls with 2 cups of water. What I'm going to do is get these lit up, get them burning, let them burn for a little while, turn them both on high, put them on there, start a timer, let them go, see which one gets to boiling first. And also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of a new BioLite Campstove 2. Not this one, but a new one. To qualify, you need to subscribe to my channel, and in the comments below say, put me in the giveaway. So, we'll get started, see what happens. Okay, we've got some good burns going. What we'll do is carefully set the bowls of water on here, make sure they're level. Make sure these are both on their highest fan settings. And start the timer. Don't know if you'll be able to see this, but you can see the heat. I guess mirage coming through the sunlight. Now we're coming up on just about a minute, and you can see there's some bubbles starting to form over here, but I believe the bubbles are more formed over there. I don't know if you'll be able to see this either, but there's a bit of a stronger flame coming out over on the Campstove 2 compared to the Campstove 1. But I do believe, just from the sounds of things, the fan on the highest speed on the Campstove 2 is much higher than the high speed on the original Campstove 1. Alright, it's about the 2.5 minute mark. Definitely have bubbles on both of them, but I believe that one's getting very, very close to boil. Alright, here you can see definitely got a boil going right at 3 minutes on the Campstove 2. And just some bubbling at the bottom, but not a boil on the Campstove 1. All right, now we have it right at 4 minutes on high. The Campstove 1 is boiling the 2 cups of water. So not too far behind. It was there. Now let's go ahead and carefully take the pots off. See if we can't get a good top-down look at both of those. And we'll go ahead and turn these down to the lowest setting. Okay, there you have it. The BioLite Campstove 2 high setting is definitely hotter burning than the original Campstove 1. That's one of the advancements they made on it. Instead of just having a low and a high, I believe, let's see, 4 speeds. So 4 speeds instead of 2. From using them, I believe like the third highest setting is about the same as the highest setting on the original. So the fourth is almost like an overdrive. And you know, you may ask why I use the bowls to boil instead of something more efficient like the kettle that BioLite makes, as the better fit there on the bottom, or something like a little boiling pot with a lid. And the main reason is I didn't have 2 of these and I didn't have 2 of these, so it wouldn't have been a fair race. So I just used the bowls to make it fair. And again, if you want to be in a draw for a giveaway for a new BioLite Campstove 2, subscribe to my channel, comment down below that you want to win, and as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. One other thing, just without doing measurements or anything, it does look like the Campstove 2 burn up the pellets a little bit quicker, which, I mean, it's kind of basic. If it's burning hotter, it's going to be burning up the fuel quicker. So you've got your trade-offs. If you're wanting to boil water faster, you're going to be burning up your fuel. But 2 cups of the pellets was more than enough to boil 2 cups of water. So there you have it. Final thoughts.